Okay, so sabi ni I think, non-bearing pala itong FIBA Asia Cup. It's no longer a part of the qualifying process for the World Cup or the Olympics. Now, every time I hear about this na non-bearing or parang insignificant tong laro na to sa FIBA Asia Cup, why did we even join if we don't really care about this or if it's not significance or no bearing? Parang nonsense pala to. Bakit pa tayo naglalaro? Why do we need to win this one? I believe ito pa nga yung mga tournament na dapat talaga pinofocus natin. Kaya nga, nalulungkot ako guys. Ito, kinig kayo ha. Nalulungkot ako pag yung parang ang move natin sa mga ganitong tournament, half-baked. Pati yung mga fans na nasabi, oh, hindi naman natin kailangan si Jordan Clarkson. Diyan, si Jordan Clarkson, palaruin na natin sa World Cup yan. Hindi na natin kailangan yung malalakas dyan sa World Cup. As if pagdating ng World Cup or Olympics, mananalo tayo. Or, I mean, pwede tayong manalo. I mean, magcha-champion tayo. Pag sa semifinals, magka-quarterfinals tayo. I mean, let's be realistic. Not because we're not good, but because the Asian, generally, against European and Americans in basketball, we're inferior. So, this would make sense. Why? I mean, it's good to actually qualify. But if our mindset is like this, na wala yan, hindi naman pala yan, hindi naman importante yan. Hindi nga tayo manalo dito. Mag-aaksaya pa tayo ng panahon sa World Cup. Hindi nga tayo manalo dito. Here's the thing. If our mindset is win this FIBA Asia Cup, dominate Asia, win a championship, be the best in Asia, automatically papasok tayo sa World Cup or automatically ganon sa tingin mo ba porket hindi to qualifying hindi na dapat natin galingan. This is also a measurement because whether we play in a qualifying tournament or not, it's still our game. So makikita pa rin dong magaling tayo o hindi. So gagalingan lang natin if ganon. 'Di ba? Sa qualifying tournament, may championship ba? Ito may championship to. May recognition to. That's why masaya tayo, nanalo tayo ng Asian Games. I mean, ang point ko lang, we wanna reach the highest, definitely. But if we're focusing too much on the highest, we're forgetting the one that is achievable, which is the Asian tournament. Because we're Asian. So, if you think about this, you would rather get one win against Latvia than win a tournament in Asia. I mean, yung mga nagdi-discredit sa mga ganitong tournament, I don't like it. It's prestigious in its own way. Of course, obviously, mas prestigious yung World Cup because it's the world. But don't expect to be any good in the World Cup if you cannot be any good in this. So, this is what we need to focus on. Kumbaga, kung ikaw yung isang player, sasali ka sa isang competition, you wanna win and kaya nga may leveling dito muna tayo. I mean, that's just me. Kayo, ano sa tingin nyo?